Hey everybody, another little project that I've done is this suspended shelf. Not as heavy duty as the one I did in a previous video. You can check it out as super heavy duty suspended shelf. This is still very heavy duty. You can see it's going to carry quite a load, but it's a lot simpler. I just basically have a white melamine board on top as the shelf. At the back supported by 90 by 35 pine, just building grade timber, 1.5 by 4 inches if you like. And then the supports at the front are all the same timber. What I did was I measured the width of the shelf, which in this case is 295 millimeters, nearly 12 inches, and did a simple 3, 4, 5 calculation. Remember 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean theory for getting the square. So 3, it's basically a 300 wide at the top, go down 4, and you've got 500 for the diagonal. Well, I thought I'm going to be close to that, so what I'll do is I'll just go 400 on the long point. And I knew that it would be back from the front edge of the shelf and would be a good support distance down the wall. What I've done is line them up with the studs and using good old bugle batten screws, which I know will be super strong, drilled them straight through, and then at the top just another shorter bugle batten screw. So it's really strong, it's not going anywhere. A very simple way to do a shelf. And I don't have the problem of legs coming down onto my workbench that are going to get in my way. The whole thing is right out of my way. I can do all sorts of work here on the bench, and the shelf is a nice convenient spot for putting heavy stuff up there, because it's, once again, it's going to support a lot of weight and it's very handy. Okay guys, another simple little shelf for you to do in your garage if it suits your situation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for lots more DIY projects. See you very soon. Bye.